Sebenza Women Awards ilapho soke sirecognize khona iexcellence yabantu besifazane abaseyindaweni ezahlukahlukene emkhakheni lenakiwe nalenganakiwe.
I'm being nominated, which is a good thing.
I'm hoping at least for one.
The time has come for women to occupy spaces and to turn around South Africa. Thank you, Sebenza Awards. Thank you so much.
Abantu bathesha ngeindlela eziningi ezihlukahlukene ukuze balale bedlile. Abanye bafundile, abanye abafundile. Kodwa akekho ongcono kunomunye. Uhlelo Ithesho lami lizovundulula inhlobo ezihlukene zamathesho. Sizwe kulabo abaziqhubayo ukuthi benza kanjani. Through this show, we want to expose the youth yasemzansi to a variety yemisebenzi khona bezokwazi ukwenza wise career choices besabancane. Nawe makukhona ihustle ofuna siyiveze sibhalele ku gabisatv@gmail.com. Leli Ithesho lami Ithesho lami. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel Gabisa TV. Washa Lalela ke namhlanje se-ICC sizobungaza u5 years weSebenza Women Awards. Lama awards special ngokuthi aqhakambisa abantu besimame ikakhulukazi abangadumile but abenza umehluko empilweni zabo nabantu ababaqashile. Asike sibabambeke. Ngiphethe uKini Shando bafethu okuyena umuntu owasungula lama awards. Ungitshelile ukuthi uma wakhe igama lakhe uAnsebenzile. Babembiza ngoAnsebenza. Baba ukhule kanjani ukhulele ekhaya elinjani mawusukwazi ukuthi uqhamuke nengqothovu ye-event enjengana le kwazi ukuqhakambisa abantu besimame?
No, but I think ngikhulele ekhaya right. Mangithi ekhaya right angisho ngikhulele ekhaya rich. I think ngikhulele ekhaya lengifundisa ukuba umuntu nanokufundisa ukuthi umuntu ngabantu nanokuthi empilweni nje uyamdinga omunye umuntu ukuze kube khona lapho yakhona. So I think that's imiselo kaMama kakhulu angikhulisa ngazo.
Umama wakho uthe wena ngenxa yokuthi wayephuma endaweni yakaNongoma la kwakuhlushe kwakhona kuze kwesinye isikhathi izingane ezincane yishadiswe zingakasiqedi ngisho isikole. Nithe ekhaya lakhe enseleni wayesekwazi uthathatha izingane azoyihlalisa ekhaya.
Even abantu bebethi mabasuka kaNongoma abokhazi nabomalume kodwa uthatha bakusiya umalume kahle. Kodwa the first thing azoyenza ukuhlala ekhaya until azathola umqasho. So mom was always housing people. Umuntu azothi uzocinga umsebenzi ohlala kwaAnsebenzile. Ubuntu lobo, and I realize ukuthi sometimes awuyidingi imali ukuze usize abanye abantu. Uyakwazi ukunikela ngobuwena. And lo muntu lo mawumhlapho ingane yakho uyobona ukuthi kube umuntu wabantu kusasa namele ngenza something ukuze kube umuntu wabantu. Ngoba umuntu uba into ayikawayibona emhlabeni.
Umuntu uba yinto ake ayibona ilento uAntisebenza ayenzile. No muhle kakhulu lo mlando mfethu. Siyabonga kakhulu nakalomsebenzi okwenzayo wokurecognize abantu besimama ubaqhakambisa ukuthi they must continue to excel in their respective fields. Asike singene ngaphakathi uzongichazela kabanzi ke manje ngama awards ukuthi wena hamba kanjani umthetho wakho. Baba, yini amaSebenza Women Awards?
Sebenza Women Awards ilapho soke sirecognize khona iexcellence yabantu besifazane abaseyindaweni ezahlukahlukene emkhakheni lenakiwe nalenganakiwe. So into ebalekile kuthina ukuthi we go all out of KZN and we see these people that are doing well and sibathathe sibabeke kwibalazwe siba celebrate ngendlela yakhona. Sicinga from all farming, normally business, film industry, uhulumeni. So uhulumeni actually it's a very new because abantu bakhona kahulumeni. What I like about the Sebenza Awards is that each and every time masqeda we always get comments from people. Kunabantu abathi sicela nisifakele ibusiness elithize, you know, they feel abathi idisability yona why nibheke eceleni. And then we sat down because we kind of felt why are we excluding? But no, we are actually fine with that. So we had to have the categories like that. So we have people about hulumeni, but what about us? Sebenza, but we don't have businesses. Yeah. But see, we are doing so well for these businesses to shine. Yes, ithina recognize lapho kanjani. Then we pull them through, and we realize that they are leaders in their own right. So amaSebenza all about leading the pack.
Manje ukuhlanganisa event enjengale. What does it take, mfethu? I can imagine I'm a sleepless night.
It's not easy. It's to never be easy, but I think it's going to only be God and your ancestors.
Manje lama awards unyaka wawo wesi5. Uthe kwawokuqala waqhuma imali. Kwawesibili kwakhona ama challenges, but wangama because it's a game of passion for you. Awusitshele ngale Jane.
Look, there is no story that was ever told by a man who gave up. In life, you must have challenges, and challenges are part of your life. And in fact, the more you get challenges, the more you see yourself, how much you're capable of. So for me, I think each and every challenge becomes a better thing because after overcoming a challenge, you ask, what's next? I think also in business as well, all the challenges that we have, they're actually part of us. It's part of your story to tell one day.
Imaphi futhi ama top categories nje ongathi yabona ke they are hotly contested this year.
Highly contested is the entrepreneur of the year. All the big dogs and also the media. We have Abo Mkoka, we have Uzalo people as well. For me, I think my favorite one is the emerging, where we see people who are starting businesses. It's been 2 years, 3 months, 4 months, but you can see the vision and the direction. And if you read their profiles, like they're going somewhere. So for me, that's the heart of Sebenza Women. Whether you win today, you don't win, you are a winner to us, and you are a winner to yourself for doing this.
Siyabonga kakhulu futhi.
Danko.
Usisikuku Matonsela, project manager yalama awards. She has always been involved in our kodwa this year okokuqala a full-time project manager. Sister yam,
Kunjani mfethu?
kusho ukuthini ukuba project manager kwinto enjenganale?
Being a project manager means ukuthi you are an overall person. You look over everything. When I say everything, like to the T.
So imaphi ama elements abalekile?
Ama elements abalekile, firstly, you have to be a people-orientated person. Ukwazi ucommunicate with people, ube nenhliziyo yabantu, because you meet different characters, you meet different personalities, so you have to be able to understand and become all the time. But at the same time, as a calm person, you have to have an authority. Ukwazi uyimela into yakho, ukwazi even the owner of the event has to be able to listen to you. You have to be a voice of reason, and you have to understand the dynamics of the industry. Something attracted me to Sebenza Awards. I don't involve myself in anything, but I was like, I want to be part of this because I see where it is going, and I see it's different from any other awards that I have ever seen. So if you are a nominee or you want to be a nominee, ayikho into critical. You just work and work hard. Njengoba kuyisebenza award, you have to sebenza.
Ngalolu suku ke lolu lama awards, iziphi izinto othi ngqi ukhiye lezi kufanele ngenze sure ukuthi ngiyibambe ngqi ukuze event izoba yona.
Into critical for me ukwenza sure ukuthi i-runwa smooth, especially mase kumenyezwa wona ama awards. For me it's very critical ukuthi into evela lapha ya escreenini ile eshiwo i-present ihambisana. If usekulethwa i-award akube igama lomuntu, kube if kuyisitifiketi like kungabikho amahiqihiqi njengoba sizobe si-streamer futhi online as well. Yonke into fanele align. If kubizwa umuntu to come on stage, I'm not expecting ukuthi kuthiwa umuntu akekho. So right now I have to make sure ukuthi everyone is coming in. Ongezi ngisheshe ngimsothe out. Amanye ama responsibilities wami ukwenza sure ukuthi abantu aba-invited bazoba ne-input, babe ne-influence kulezi ingane zama nominees, mabe babuka bakwazi nokunetworka kubona. So I'm bringing in unique type of people abazokwazi ukuthi babe ne-impact. Then I have to make sure the logistics, the transport, accommodation, everything. Afanele ngenze sure ukuthi nokudla kukhona konke kulele kumina. Afanele ngenze sure ukuthi nani futhi nikhona nizocaptureisha yonke into futhi nifika ngesikhathi. Isikhathi esibalekile.
Hayi uyasazi phela kwithesho la my hustle asikazi nje sabalethu. Siyajabula siyazi
nimangazile because nithe nicela ukufika early, abanye basalinda ukufika ngo5.
Washama hustlers, manje ngiphethe isesteri yami usisikhosi Thwala oyi-red carpet host. Awungitshele yini eyenza ukuthi wena ngoba phela i-red carpet iqala ngo6, why are you here so early?
Ngisuka eGoli uyabona, so bekufanele ukuthi ngifike early ngizozwa ukuthi okay i-atmosphere injani, ngingafise ngifika nami uyabona sengigijima.
So kubalekile ukuthi uqale ukhulume nama event organizers, uthola ukuthi plan yabo yini, ubusubona ne-area ozobusebenzela kuyona, okusho ukuthi wena wenza sure ukuthi uya prepare ngoba kuthiwa if you fail to prepare we are preparing to fail.
Exactly.
Oh, that's a good one.
Nangu Angel Zuma, wena Angel Zuma uzobe ungaphi stage?
Yes.
Umsebenzi wakho wena yini?
Umsebenzi wami is to call on stage abantu abazobe presenting the awards to the deserving winners, right? So yeah, I'll be doing a lot of just managing the program. So I had to come nice and early to see stage, to see me and familiarize myself with that place. It's very important that we try it. If you look at the categories, I'm like, hey, how does these women go? It's crazy. So don't limit yourself.
Sesiyobonana ntambama ke ladies.
Izobonana.
Nina nenhlanhla sayoshintsha thina sesisemsebenzini waya. Siyabonga kakhulu ladies. Nibe ne good show. Event enjenganale bafethu inama elements amaningi including eledeko. Manje nginosisi usiphindile myeni welifeziwe LLK events. La kunika yipi brief weni client?
I-client lami langitshela ukuthi banama awards badinga i-setup ka black and gold. Ngaba nenhlanhla ukuthi ngithola i-client elingivumelayo ukuthi nje go extra miles zibonakalise. So here we are.
Wathi uyayibonakalisa.
Ngazibonakalisa nje
nani ke
uma ngahlala ku
black and gold sibona nanezimbali.
Yes, we used fresh flowers nama center pieces are gold, then ama tablecloths are black nehlalo sizozimixa zoba khona u black for VIP, then kube khona u black trimmed with gold.
Wena njenge event organizer or njengomuntu wedeco, iziphi izinto ezibalekile that you must possess for you to be able to deliver top class work?
Ayikho into ebalulekile nje ukuthi uthembeke kwi-client lakho, ulalele the specification esikunikeza yona, wenze sure ukuthi usebenzela phezulu kwaso nokubamba isikhathi.
Kakhona ama challenges or iziphi nje izinto ohlangabezane nazo mawenza le deco?
So far azikho. Uma izinto zakho uplane kahle, ama challenges uyakwazi ukuwa overcome.
For umuntu ofuna ukungena kule field yakho, iyiphi mhlambe into ebalekile that they need to possess?
About deco, you need to be creative. Once waba creative, ukwazi ukuthi noma unikeziwe i-specification but uthi work beyond i-specification unikezwe i-client. That's it.
Ngiyibonile le deck iyahlanya. Wena utholakala kanjani? Uyatholakala mhlawumbe kuma social platforms or i-address yakho?
Yes, siyatholakala ku Facebook as Lifeziwe LLK events, na ku Instagram LLK Lifeziwe_events siyatholakala nakhona.
Hayi siyabonga kakhulu sise yinhle kakhulu ideco yakho thina sichazekile.
Siyazibongela.
Awungitshengisa some more asambe siyobona. What a great insight I've had behind the scenes. Salute to all the people who have given us a glimpse of what it takes. Well, it's now time for what we've been building up to. The main show, which started with the glitzy red carpet affair with celebs galore. Zavele zakhala.
Umkhandlu waseThekwini sijabule kakhulu nanokuthi ke ukuba khona kwezinto ezenzekayo la eICC zisilethela umnotho kakhulu zelenza ukuthi abantu bajabule and zakha amathuba omsebenzi nanokuthi ke zibeka iTheku ke endaweni eliyiyona.
I'm being nominated, which is a good thing.
What are you nominated for, Mama?
For women in media.
Angitshele ngale category onominate ngayo.
Community Builder of the Year as a contributor in the community through Center of Hope, which is an HIV NGO that is more than 21 years old this year. Yes, funded by African people, started by African people, persevering. We rode the wave of HIV and made sure that people buy a pillar. Now HIV is no longer stigmatized because of the contribution that we did.
I was nominated twice. It was for a woman leader in local government and a youngest woman leader in government. So I'm hoping at least for one.
So manje awusitshele ngoba akukho lula ukuthi ube women in construction, right? What is it all about? What are the challenges ohlangabezana nazo?
Khona akukho lula ngoba i-industry edominate kakhulu abantu besilisa. Kodwa ke nabo abantu besilisa babile usizo kakhulu kimi, ikakhulukazi bengisebenza kakhulu nomfowethu omdala ongasekho.
Okay, so into ozama ukisho ukuthi namhlanje even though sisikhungaza abantu besifazane, abantu besilisa bayadlala nayo indima ekusizeni ukuthi ba-empower abantu besifazane
kakhulu. Mina nje kukhona konke engikwenzayo bona bayi-backbone yami.
To recognize abantu besifazane ngeqhaza abalibambile ekuthuthukiseni impilo zabantu ikhona okubalekile.
here to see phenomenal women who are doing amazing things in our industry. That's why I came here.
Njengomuntu mina I believe ukuthi ngisebenza nzima. Ngikalete an early age, ngimncane kakhulu. So ukuthola ukuthi nama awards anje kuyaqhuqhuzelana.
Ngize la ngiselectiwe kuyo category ka women leadership in government. Sengiwinile. For ukuthi banginominatile, sengiwinile.
Ngijabule kakhulu ngoba lama award yazokwenziwa namhlanje akhuphula umuntu wesifazane. Athi sebenza umuntu wesifazane la ukhona ekhoneni lakho. Lapha ke ushando indlela sijabulisa ngayo yokuthi asuse umuntu osekhoneni ongabonwa umuntu amveze emphakathini. So sijabule kakhulu siseThekwini.
Welcome to the auspicious 5th annual Sebenza Women Awards.
Sihlanganise izandla zethu samukele iwina yethu
Uzime Msweli.
I'm very excited, but at the same time I can't believe ukuthi ngiwinile. This is my first time ngibonga endaweni enkulu kangaka, so nje angikholwa ngicama manga.
Bese ngiphethe isikhokho sami manje ubongiwe Majola owine i-award ye-woman leader in local government. Le award isho ukuthini kona sikhokho?
Into eyenzeke namhlanje inginike more courage. Now I know ukuthi people out there bayabona i-effort yami.
Let us go for those directorship positions. Let us have a female president in this country. The time has come for women to occupy spaces and to turn around South Africa. Thank you, Sebenza Awards. Thank you so much.
Ngingathi nje kumphakathi woluntu namaphethelo nanoma yiwuphi la uqhamuka khona akukho okungenzeki. Thank you so much. Thank you for supporting us as women. Thank you for hosting us and thank you for the award.
Iyona ke le ntombi ethawumilane sheba ngutoti wathi uyangithanda kanti udlala
It was in 2018, the same awards in Richards Bay when they were started. That was 5 years ago. I won an award that night. So for me, it is a very beautiful day, a very great day. I'm looking forward to women being recognized for what they do, for the good work that they do in different industries and in different things, nje abazenzayo and ukuzobabongela.
Whether you are being recognized or not, your day is coming. Wena nje qhubeka.
Very grateful for the night. It was beautiful, it was great. We are excited to start planning for next year and our planning starts tomorrow.
I knew before it happened that it's going to be a great event.
Yeah.
And because I've been trusting for the past 5 years.
Yeah.
I've been wanting to do this, and now Italy.
Sebenza Women's Award 2023 ibishisa bhe. Okungijabulise kakhulu ke mina bafethu ukubona abantu besimama abaqhabuke endaweni zasemakhaya bebuya nawo begoduka nawo lama awards. Okusho ukuthi iimpact ezoba khona kule ndawo abaqhamuka kuzona inkulu kakhulu. Phela indawo zasemakhaya they are often neglected. Siyajabula ke nje ukuthi uKinishando nethimba lakhe ba-honorisha abantu besimame nje in general. Phela abantu besimame badinga ukuthandwa, badinga ukunakekelwa ukuze nabo bezosithanda basinakekele. Ngaleyo ndlela sesisebenze thina kusukela ekuseni nethimba lami seyintatha manje sesicela ukushaya umgwaqo. Shap. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Kapisa TV. Washa